Hello guys, welcome to your first tutorial HTML for beginners. As you know, I have told you we have to just use Notepad for this series and go to your Notepad and open it. The browsers renders many documents like SVGs, HTMLs, XMLs. They can't identify documents itself. So in the HTML, we have to declare the document type. That is, this document is HTML. It can be declared by doc type declaration. So just type doc type HTML. Just this is, and by doc type declaration, browsers identify the document, that is, this document is HTML. So after that, the next tag is HTML tag, that is HTML. And as you know, we have to give the closing tag for this. You watch it in the introductory video. I told you every tag needs closing tag. So we just copy and make it closing tag by /. Just this is, and in the HTML, everything we gonna write is only in these two tags. One tag HTML, everything going to in this tag. After the HTML, the second tag comes is head tag. It is an hidden tag, but it only shows the title tag in the menu bar. It contains the document settings, HTML document settings. I can explain it in a future video. So just we need to close this tag by /. And in this head section, we are going to title the document, title. And as you know, we need closing tag for this, closing tag, and our title is going to in there. So this is first video, and we can give it a title, my first video, my first, sorry, I spelled it wrong, my first web page on HTML. Just this is, and this title is going to in this menu bar in the browser. Here in this you can see new tab. Now whenever you open this page in the browser, it shows the title here. So just you need to give the title in the head section by title, starting tag and closing tag. Just this is, and after the head section, the body section comes. This is the primary section, body, and as you know, we need closing tag, body section. This is the primary section of our HTML document. Now, in the body element, we are going to type everything, or when user opens the website, whatever they saw, everything in this tag, body tag, everything contains body tag. So we are going to write anything this only in body tag. So for our page, HTML page, we do some titles or headings. So for heading, there is a h1 tag. So we do heading for this this is my first web page. Just, and after that we use some paragraph for p element. Paragraph, p stands for paragraph. P element. In the PM paragraph we use some information about welcome to the app Android. Everything you want to know about HTML is here. Just, and save the we are going to save the document as index.html. You have to save document by .html and save it. As you can see, I saved the document and open up in the browser. So I open. You can see my first web page. This is the title, and this is my first web page. Is the heading, and here is the paragraph. You can see the paragraph. Welcome to the app Android. Everything you want to know about the HTML is here, and that's it. This is the first web page you have write in HTML. So that's all for this video. We're going to continue in next video. Okay, bye.